In this example, we are looking at a word problem, and maybe the picture and the words and all that's going on might be overwhelming for you, but it's not that hard, I promise. You've got this. So let's read it together. It says the area of a pool to be installed in the patio section of your yard is, so this expression that's given right here is representative of the area of the pool. So that right there in the picture above me, you'll see the area of the pool is this like unusual shape. It's gray, and it's written out 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x minus 5. We keep reading, and it says the patio portion of your yard has an area. So the patio area, the whole patio area, including where the pool is, has an area of 5x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3x plus 2. Determine the area of the remaining patio surrounding the pool to be used as a walkway. So we're really finding the area of the sidewalk. So what we're going to really do in this is we're going to do the entire patio in this example, the entire patio minus the pool, right? And if we subtract that, we get we can call it the sidewalk that's going to be around the outside of the pool. So all we have to do is, sorry, just fixing the camera here. All we have to do is subtract. That's it. Now, when you subtract polynomials, hopefully we all remember, this is where distributive property is going to be very important. So we'll start up on over here, and that is 5x to the third minus 4x to the second plus 3x plus 2. That's the entire patio minus the pool. And the pool was 2x to the third minus 3x to the second plus 2x minus 5. So that's what we got right there. Now, advice. A lot of people think they don't need to listen, pay attention, they know what they're doing, and then you get the wrong answer every time. So maybe pay attention. This minus, if it's in front of a parenthesis, it represents a -1, or it represents the word opposite, and that opposite characteristic is being applied to everything inside that second parenthesis. So a nicer, neater, more organized way to write the next step is as follows. 5x to the third minus 2x to the third. So that was positive in there. It will become minus. I'll put it right under it. Minus 2x to the third. Let's continue. Negative 4x to the second minus negative, which means plus 3x to the second. Next up, plus 3x minus a positive 2x. So that becomes just minus 2x. Next up, plus 2 minus a -5. Minus negative becomes plus 5. Now, everything that is like terms, they are stacked on top of each other. Beautiful. We love this. And we're just going to go straight down. What is 5x cubed minus 2x cubed? That would be 3x cubed. -4 plus 3. -4 plus 3. Do we know it? -1x squared. Positive 3 minus 2. Now, this is not like the subtraction you might see when you do long division and you have that parenthesis minus sign. It's still like this, and you're distributing it in your head if you do it the way I do it. So this is already, the signs are taken care of. -3x minus 2x is going to be a positive x. Please, if you're getting these wrong, take note of what the answer is and how you can do that. And then positive 2 and positive 5 is positive 7. So this represents the sidewalk. So this expression right here represents the area of the sidewalk surrounding the pool. Now, if you see a problem like this in the future, just read carefully. Maybe it's giving you next time the sidewalk area and the pool area, and they're asking you what's the area of the entire backyard. In that case, you're adding. Or maybe it gives you the entire patio and the sidewalk, what wants to be left over, and you need to find the area of the pool. Just read. That's it. Just read And if you're not entirely positive of what you're doing, do something. Something's better than nothing. The ones in front of this x and the negative one in front of the x squared are not necessary. You could also write it, just as 3x cubed minus x squared plus x and plus 7. Those are the same. We obviously don't need to have those ones as coefficients, but you can, okay? So I hope that was helpful. That was the last question in our Algebra 2 midterm review packet, and I hope you enjoyed it. And make sure you're studying all your times tables and rules and formulas, all right? Adios. Oh, thumbs up if you are a genius after all this, and thumbs down if you're mad about the video, okay?